Hello everyone, welcome to my project Task Management. This is an offline task management application developed using Flutter. The app is built using Hive for local database storage and GetX for state management, dependency injection, and navigation. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete application flow and architecture overview. Here we have the splash screen. The application checks whether the user session already exists using local storage. If the user is already logged in, the app directly navigates to the home screen. Otherwise, it redirects to the login screen. Now this is the registration screen. Users can create an account using their basic details. All user information is stored locally using Hive, which allows the app to work completely offline. Form validation is implemented to ensure proper input handling and better user experience. Next is the login screen. The app validates user credentials locally from the Hive Database. After successful login, the session is stored using SharedPreferences to maintain persistent authentication. After login, the user lands on the home screen. This screen displays all tasks associated with the logged-in user. The UI is fully reactive. Hello App Management. Whenever tasks are added, updated, or deleted, the interface updates automatically without manual refresh. Here we can add a new task. The task includes details like title and description. Once saved, the task is instantly stored in the local Hive database. The task list updates automatically because the app uses reactive Rx variables and OBX widgets from GetX. Users can also edit or delete existing tasks. All operations happen locally, making the app fast and responsive even without internet connectivity. This demonstrates the offline-first architecture of the application. Thank you for watching. This project helped me improve my understanding of Flutter architecture, offline storage, reactive state management, and scalable application development using Hive and GetX. I hope you liked the project. This app also includes features like task search and filters for better task management and user experience. If you want a complete step-by-step tutorial for this project, then please comment below. I have already created a full detailed video series, which is very easy to learn and beginner-friendly. And if you want the complete source code link, please comment as well. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इस project को pure हिंदी में complete explain करूं step by step, तो please comment below. Thank you.